Welcome back to the channel again, guys. In this video we're working on this P10E2 135808 Valvetronic Servomotor position sensor. Now if you're getting this, we've got the 1.5 mini petrol engine in there, and we're getting this if you're getting the drivetrain issue, if you're in limp mode. I'm going to guide you as to what's best and what you can do from knowledge and experience. So we have to check. This is the Valvetronic in here, this motor. This is what's the issue on here, and that's why you're getting the diagnostic, well, the drivetrain issue on there. Recommendation: make sure the pins are all right, make sure wiring loom isn't damaged, there's power going to it. If there is, I don't know much, but personal advice would be to get an original OEM online or via dealer. I don't know how much it is at dealer, but you can pick them up on eBay, original OEMs as well. Personal advice, I'd get new. I wouldn't even get used, because they could be in the same boat as you are. So my recommendation is please get OEM original new. Once you do, there's nothing crazy about it. There is no coding as far as I know. I mean, it may do, it may not, but it'd just be best to do a full scan and clear. But that is the thing. You've got a bolt there, and I'm sure there is bolts underneath as well. There it is, them two bolts, slots right out. There would be a seal maybe. Just make sure you're getting something new, and then it's just a case of plug and play really. And then if we were to do a full scan and clear, it should dissolve. We do recommend you get a decent diagnostic machine in case you do need to pair things or code things up within the car itself. If not, a normal owner diagnostic machine will do. I don't know if the ignition's off, because it's been running for the best part of like 5 minutes. Ignition's been on, so clear fault code. Okay, so read fault codes. So there's nothing there, guys, but that's as simple as it gets.